This video is an attempt to make this Trump looking wig natural, so be sure to stay to the end to see if I was successful. First, you want to cut the lace of your wig if it's a new wig, and you want to cut it in a zigzag line. And then I proceeded to add in foundation on the part, and you want to make it look as natural as possible, so you want to put foundation, and I used the end of a comb to do this. I then went in with a black hair dye to put in some dark roots, and this is just to make it look as natural as possible.
Process. It's coming together like a lot better for sure.
Here I used the hot comb to make sure the wig is flat, and then I went in with some foundation to broaden the part a little bit because the previous part was a little bit too thin, so I just put in some more foundation. And then to lay the wig down very well, I used a Q-tip and melting spray and then just applied that directly on the lace. The wig looked like it needed some volume, so I thought, okay, great idea, let's put some curls in. And then I did not curl the back, and then it was just so funny because it looked very, very bad. But the model was running out of time, so we had to stop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more hair videos. Bye for now, and thank you for watching.